Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin inside the Photos app. Go to Library, then tap the Cleanup or Ellipsis menu to start analysis. You'll see iOS 18 scanning for duplicates, similar shots, and blurry images. Let it finish its pass so suggestions are accurate. Once done, review the suggested groups. Each group shows a best pick plus extras. Make sure to allow permission prompts if asked, because analysis requires temporary access to metadata and image previews before you can proceed with deletion. You now examine groups of similar photos. Tap any suggestion to open a side-by-side view, then swipe and zoom to verify details. Choose the best image with Select and mark the rest for deletion. If you prefer, enable auto-merge for exact duplicates to speed things up. Once you select deletions, confirm with Remove or Move to Recently Deleted. Make sure to check live photos and versions so you don't lose motion or edits you wanted to keep. You finish by emptying Recently Deleted if you want immediate space recovery, or let items expire automatically in 30 days. Remember that iCloud Photos syncs deletions across devices, so make sure other devices are online. Once done, run Settings Photos to adjust cleanup preferences and duplicate handling. If you can't find a photo, first look in Recently Deleted, then restore from your backup. If sync mismatches occur, sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.